In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the top ways to get more traffic to your YouTube channel. While YouTube has become an excellent tool for businesses to promote their brand, the competition is fierce. Every day there are thousands of videos uploaded to YouTube, so the question becomes, how can your business stand out from the crowd and gain more viewers and subscribers? If you have videos on YouTube, use these tips to boost your traffic and video rankings on YouTube. Tip number 1. Use rich keywords on your video tags. The more keywords that you put in your videos, the more opportunities that you have for people to find your video. For example, let's say your video is about peanuts. If you only use the word peanuts as a tag, then your video may appear when that keyword is searched for, but if you insert a network of related keywords, you can open a huge door for people to find your video. Using the tags field correctly and adding as many relevant tags that you can think of will help you get more traffic to your channel. Tip number 2. Transcribe your videos and post it to your video description. Websites can't accurately fetch keywords that are spoken in videos, so for the time being, written keywords are still a significant factor when it comes to video rankings. If you have a presentation video, transcribe your words to get lots of SEO juice to increase your ranks. Paste the transcription into your video description field and watch your traffic grow. Tip number 3. Insert keywords into your titles. YouTube is right behind Google in terms of search engines. This means that the majority of people will find your videos through keywords. One of the most significant factors in video placement for keywords is having them in your video title. So you want to make sure that you place keywords that are relevant in your video title. Tip number 4. Direct tons of links to your video. External SEO is not only a great way to boost rankings for pages on your website, but it also plays a significant role in rankings of YouTube videos. When you have a lot of high-authority websites directing links to your YouTube video, they will rank higher for their keywords, which will also boost visits to your site. Every business wants to increase the traffic to their YouTube channel. With these 4 tips, you can bring more traffic to your videos and expand your brand authority. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips that will help you improve your YouTube search rankings. There are thousands of videos uploaded to YouTube every day, which means there is a lot of competition on the video platform. Understanding how you can take advantage of the platform's algorithm can help more people see your videos and channel. Here are 5 tips to help you improve your search rankings on YouTube. Tip number 1. Align your content with viewer searches. To outrank the competition, your YouTube content needs to include the exact words and phrases that are being used in searches by people who are looking for content like yours. Many free and paid tools can provide you with insights into what people are searching for on the platform. After you've identified the best keywords to use, incorporate them into your content. Tip number 2. Maximize video watch time. One of the most important ranking factors on YouTube is watch time. If you don't have strong watch times, your videos will fall in rank. The watch time isn't just about the total minutes watched, but the percentage of the video viewed. The best way to help you increase watch time is to get rid of long intros and outros. Tip number 3. Drive longer channel sessions. You have to get people to watch more than one of your videos. While all channels want this, not many of them are actively encouraging viewers to watch more videos. If your channel can consistently start people watching YouTube for extended periods, your channel will be rewarded by getting ranked higher on YouTube search. A good tactic for encouraging viewers to watch more videos is to use clickable thumbnails or end cards. Tip number 4. Keep your content consistent. Like Google, YouTube likes authority, so if you regularly upload videos focused on the same topic for many years, then you will be much more likely to rank higher for related search terms. When it comes to choosing topics, it's best to pick a narrow niche and stick with it. Tip number 5. Cultivate audience engagement. While comments, shares, and likes are great for providing social proof, and comments are a great way to gain feedback and insight from your audience, switching up your call to action to encourage engagement can give you a healthy boost in the search algorithm. As with any social media platform that you use for your business, you'll only get out of YouTube what you put into it. If you want to improve your search ranking, then you should consider these 5 steps. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with the do's and don'ts of starting a YouTube channel for your brand. Starting a channel on YouTube is relatively simple, but getting found among the millions of channels can present a bit of a challenge. Your YouTube channel represents your niche, which you need to ensure is presented creatively if you want to stand out from the competition. Here are some of the do's and don'ts for starting a YouTube channel. Do: make sure everything is set up properly. The lighting and camera setup for recording your video is crucial. Having efficient lighting and a quality camera play a significant role in being able to deliver a high-quality video. Once you decide to set up a YouTube channel for your brand, it is essential that you set up everything before you start. Do collaborate. Collaborating with other professionals in your industry is a great way to expand the reach and target a broader audience across the platform. Talk with other professionals in your niche and ask them if you can host a guest video for them. Collaborating in this manner to cross-promote products can help you reach more of your target audience. Do tag your videos. Tagging your videos is incredibly important if you want to attract an audience. Take the time to research appropriate keywords that are searched for often concerning your niche. Tag your videos appropriately to attract more high-quality subscribers to your channel. Don't publish all your videos at once. The best way to attract new subscribers and keep them is by publishing new videos on a schedule. The best way to set up a new channel is by posting a video once a week for at least 4 months. To increase your subscribers, plan to post a new video at the same time every week so that your audience will have something to look forward to. Don't neglect the audience engagement. If you want to grow your channel and be seen as an authority in your industry, it is imperative to interact with your subscribers. Don't fail to reply to comments left on your channel and take any feedback you receive to heart. Don't publish low-quality videos. Your YouTube channel is a product of your business and represents your brand. Publishing low-quality videos to your channel will reflect on the standards of quality that your company holds. Having poor audio, lighting, or camera work will drive viewers to another channel. Utilizing YouTube to promote your business can be very lucrative. To ensure that you have the best chance for success, be sure to take these do's and don'ts into account when you're setting up your YouTube channel.